let's explore the alphabet with glee. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P. Learning letters is the key. A is for ant, working so small. B is for bridge, sturdy and tall. C is for clock, ticking away. D is for dolphin, splashing all day. Letters are fun, come sing along. Let's make learning a joyful song. From A to Z, let's clap and cheer. The alphabet's magic is always near. E is for engine, running so fast. F is for feather, light as a blast. G is for grapes, purple and round. H is for hammer, building a sound. I is for ice, cool to the touch. J is for jet, flying so much. K is for key, opening the way. L is for lighthouse, brightening the bay. Let's twist and shout, wiggle and groove. The ABCs will keep us on the move. Every letter has a story to tell. Come join the fun and learn so well. M is for mirror, reflecting your face. N is for notebook, for every place. O is for octopus, with arms so wide. P is for parrot, who loves to glide. U is for quail, quick and shy. R is for rocket, soaring the sky. S is for star, twinkling so bright. T is for turtle, a slow delight. U is for unicorn, a magical find. V is for valley, peaceful and kind. W is for waterfall, rushing with might. X is for xylophone, fun to glide. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, where stripes abound. We've sung the ABCs, we've had a ball, learning letters, one and all. From A to Z, we've danced away. Come back, tomorrow we'll sing and play.
Koki TV. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and share.